Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to look for XLOOKUP product code match. I have a dump here. So usually what happens is like there are multiple product codes are available. So if you want to get the result of only particular product codes values, then this is the best formula for you. So if you want to grab one single case, also I have a formula, or if you want to grab all the results, also I have a formula. So let's dig around. So what we are going to do here is we are going to track all the product codes which are starting with PRD, and we're going to ignore any product which is not starting with PRD. For example, the third row, which has a MAC 200. So we're going to ignore this product and we want only these two results, right? So let me write the formula. For your convenience, I have already written the formula here, and the next formula is here. So you can look up here. So how I'm going to write the formula, and I'm going to explain each and every single step in it, like what is the functionality of each and every word or letter I'm writing in here. So XLOOKUP, what I'm looking for is PRD, right? PRD is again text. So I'm going to write text here in the quotes, but it is in the beginning of this string, which is a text. So I'm going to write the asterisk in the end, which means grab PRD wherever it starts in the cell. This means any text, any cell which is starting with PRD, it should grab it, comma, where should it look? This is the range, lookup range, and then this is a result range. And for missing value, I'm going to write NA, and then for wildcard match, I'm going to write 2. So I'm going to hit enter. So it should give me the result of 500. It is already highlighted here. So I'm going to hit enter. So basically, XLOOKUP works only for first match. So for all the PRD code results, I'm going to use filter function. So filter, what I want here is whatever under B, I want to filter out all of them. Now I'm going to use regex match function. I'm going to take this regex match help. Where should it look? This is the range. Now this is very important. Now what I'm going to look for is PRD. So since this is in the beginning, so I'm going to write caret, which means so any text which starts with PRD, give those details to filter. Then filter will filter it out from this range and then give it to us, which is F9 to F11. I'm going to end the parenthesis. Right, so the formula is ready, and if I hit enter, it should reflect 500 and 550. Yes, so let's assume this is also PRD. It gives the 700. Let's assume this is MAC. It will not give the result for this range, which is 550. It will give only give the result for first and third, which is 500 and 700. So this is how XLOOKUP and filter works for a product code match. So people who work in like stores, pretty much they deal with these product codes. So this is a very good formula to catch the prices or the search results for product codes. Thank you so much for watching. We'll meet in next video. Also, I am going to add a sheet for your practice for this two formulas. You can click on the link and it will quickly make a copy of it, and then you can practice on it. Thank you once again.